How's it going, everybody? Yeah, today we've got a little unboxing video for you. It's the Audio Ace Joker 15 version 2. These are going to be going in my son's Tahoe. We've got a custom box built for him. We got a pair. Got these from DJ Dirty Bass back, I don't know, around November. As part of my kid's Christmas present. He got a whole system for Christmas. And we're just now getting around to opening stuff up. But I got turned on to Audio Ace at the Odin Fireman's Picnic in Odin, Illinois last spring. And after sitting in their vehicles and talking with them, and I realized that they're a local company to me. They're based out of St. Louis, and I'm only a couple hours from there, so it's kind of cool to be able to support your local guys. You know, we don't have a whole lot around here, so, you know, I'm kind of leaning towards supporting them a little more. Basically, my kid's whole system is going to be Audio Ace. So these are priced really well. Seem to be halfway decent subs. I think they're going to do good for what he's going to be using them for. So I've already cut the box open, but I've not had the subs out. You know, just save you guys the time of and the pain of having to listen to me opening a box. Nobody wants that. So got a whole bunch of goodies here. Dirty Bass float towel. I'm gonna be stealing that. What all we got? This is all Dirty Bass stuff. I'm gonna assume the other one might have some Audio Ace stickers in it. Not for sure. Well, there she is. You know, nothing really sticks out as being unique or anything about it, but it's a good looking sub. And I'm gonna get it out of the box, get it up here on the bench, and we'll take a look at it. Okay, well, the first thing that I've noticed is the direct leads. A pretty good size. I think that's 8 gauge, maybe 10. I don't know, it's hard to say. I believe that's 8. Look like they're pretty long. Tinsel leads look pretty decent. Spider looks pretty decent. Nice fat surround, stitched surround. Let's see the other side. Not bad. You know, they're not a real heavy sub. You know, I'm used to messing with my XV315s, and man, those things, it's almost a 2-man job to put those in a box. This is probably, I'm gonna say 30 pounds. So it's gonna be a whole lot easier to deal with it and to move it around, take it in and out of the box. You know, I'm a little older now, and things like that matter. At least to me. Basket looks pretty good. You know, just kind of your, I don't want to say run of the mill, but, you know, it is what it is. Got some pretty cool stuff going on it. It's not super stiff, but it's, you know, average. But I forget what I paid for these, but it wasn't much. You know, I think you're getting a lot of sub for your money. And, you know, here's the box. Excuse my dirty building. This is the box I built. You know, it's just your double baffled, really braced up. I didn't want to do it like this, but I built this out of scrap wood that I just had laying around. There's probably 2 or 3 different kinds of wood in this. This back, and I didn't realize it at the time, was warped. And I didn't realize it. It wasn't much, but it was enough that whenever I started putting it all together, I had a bow. So these braces are really keeping that bow from bowing, I guess you would say. And I was planning on doing 45s and stuff. The place I had to put these to straighten that back out, I couldn't do a 45. So it is what it is. It's not like I'm selling this box to somebody. It's going in my kid's truck. So, you know, it is what it is. But from the outside, it looks good. And I think it's going to do well. It's 5 cubic feet at 32 hertz. Got the SMD distributor or speaker terminal back there. So it's got some nice stuff on it, but it just is what it is. Just slapped together out of scrap wood. Good enough for my kid. But I think it's going to sound pretty good. It echoes really well. It's strong. So they're going to be running on a Tar Amps Boss 3. So at a half ohm. So it's going to be getting some juice to them. I really think it's going to perform pretty well for what it is, for just a little budget banger. 18-year-old kid. You know, I wish I'd had something like this when I was 18. I was rocking some MTX Terminator 12s when I was 18. So that was about 30 years ago, though. But yeah, Audio Ace, man. I think they're going to be the new player. The new Jesters that haven't come out yet, they look like some monsters. Like I'm seriously thinking about selling my Sundowns and getting some Jesters for my truck. Just something different. You know, like I said, I'm supporting a local company. That means a lot to me. And they really seem like a good group of guys. So check them out. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.